Welcome to downtown Grand Bend, Ontario, home to one of the most incredible beaches in the country with endless silky sands along the sparkling Canadian shores of Lake Huron. Some of the hottest and most rentable real estate in this booming beach town are those sweet spots that are super close to the beach but without the big lakefront price tag. My new cottage style listing for sale at 5 Elmwood Avenue, just a stone's throw to this incredible beach, is just like that. And it's on a full-size downtown lot on sewers, but is also grandfathered in as a duplex, a very special feature. This winterized home was just renovated top to bottom. Walls, lighting, kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, insulation, wiring, the list goes on. You'll find space for everyone across the 3 well-finished levels of this unique 2-unit house. The main level features a bright living room flowing into a large kitchen with 2 good-sized bedrooms, an oversized full bathroom, and easy access to the ground level with a well-finished rec room space beside the drive-in garage, a laundry room area, and loads of storage. Then the upper level, which has maintained its separate entrance so that the legal non-conforming duplex situation at this house will never be lost. You have more brand new shiny living space with 2 more bedrooms and another bathroom. Overall, with 4 proper bedrooms, the rental-minded buyer might call this a 6-bedroom listing, with room to sleep more guests in the rec room and the upper-level sitting room. The space in this rare 2-unit home will surprise you. And did I mention the turnkey package? Everything you see is included. Appliances, furniture, linens, decor. Just walk in and enjoy. Back outdoors, you saw 2 features that are hard to come by in downtown Grand Bend. 1,150 square feet of patio and decking, all that outdoor living space, some covered, also privacy fencing, plus loads of parking. And all of this is an easy 3-minute, 400-meter stroll to the 3rd best beach in Canada. As we take that breezy walk back down to our Blue Flag Beach to wrap up for a stellar sunset, let's summarize. Unique 2-unit home, fully furnished and decorated turnkey package, totally renovated with loads of outdoor space and parking, and steps to all of those downtown amenities with this wonderful paradise at the top of the list, Grand Bend's famous main beach. I am so excited to show you what this new listing has to offer. Call me for a private tour and pricing information today before it's too late. I'm Mike Sloan, and I'll see you at the beach.